change the glow plug on your Searwood Pellet Grill, you'll need a new glow plug, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a wrench handy. Unplug the grill and wait until the grill is fully cool. After the grill is cool, remove the grates, flavorizer bar, and the heat diffuser from the cook box. Unscrew the wing screws from the burn pot and remove the burn pot. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the glow plug mounting bracket. Remove the glow plug. You may need to use a wrench to loosen the fasteners. Now you can replace with a new glow plug and tighten the nuts for a secure connection. Put the burn pot back into place and return the wing screws. Put the heat diffuser, flavorizer bar, and grates back into the cook box. Finally, don't forget to plug the grill in so you're ready to get cooking. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.